Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I am doing some long stiletto polygel nails, and I am starting off by using Madam Glam's base coat, and I'm just going to apply a very thin layer of this base coat to each nail, and then I'm going to cure these nails for 30 seconds. And today I'm using Tomico Polygel alcohol as my slip solution and my polygel brush. And I began by applying a generous amount of polygel down the center of the nail. And then I am using my gel brush just to pat that product in place. I want to pat it down just to make sure that it is enough product to cover my sidewalls. And then you'll see I'm going to use this brush to try to get this product as smooth as possible. Now, I know originally I stated that I was using the Tomica clear polygel, but I actually changed it and I decided to use Roslyn clear polygel. But I will leave a link down in the description box below for all the products that I used in today's video. And once I get this product as smooth as possible, I'm going to go ahead and cure this nail for 60 seconds. Next, I am applying a small bead of polygel a little before the cuticle area, and then I use the tip of my brush to pat that product down while I push it back towards the cuticle area. Now, I want to get it as snug as possible to the cuticle area, just so that it can be as flush as possible. And of course, I'm going to clean up around the cuticle area because I don't want to cure this product on my skin. And then I'm going to continue to pat this product in place. Once I feel that the product is in the right place, then I'm going to use the tip of my brush to kind of blend that product down towards the tip of the nail. And once this product is as smooth as possible, then I'm going to go ahead and cure this nail for an additional 60 seconds. And moving right along to the next finger, I'm going to repeat the same process. I'm going to apply a generous amount of the polygel towards down the center of the nail. And then I'm just going to use my brush to pat that product down. Again, I want to make sure that the sidewalls do have product because, of course, I'm going to still have to file these nails and I want to be able to get a nice shape. When I look back on the video, I kind of wish I would have filed the nails before I applied the polygel because they do look a little wide on my fingers, but that's okay. I wanted to save myself a little time, so I did not file the nails before I began the polygel application. However, Even though I don't show the filing part in this video, I do file and shape these nails, and they definitely look a whole lot better. So next, I'm applying another smaller bead of the polygel, kind of directly above the last bead. And then I'm just using my brush to pat that product down and push it back towards the cuticle area again, so that it has a nice snug fit, so that it appears as if it's like, you know, growing out of my hand. And then I'm going to get this product as smooth as possible before I go ahead and cure this nail for 60 seconds. Now for my last two fingers, I actually decided to do the one bead method. So I start off the same. I apply a generous amount of the polygel down the center of the nail, but this time I just push that polygel all the way back towards the cuticle area, and I do have a nice amount just to make sure that I can cover the nail completely. And then I use my brush to pat that product down. Again, I am working this product down towards the tip of the nail. And then once I am done and the nail is completely covered with product, I'm going to use my brush to go ahead and smooth that product down just to get it as smooth as possible, which can help me with my filing time towards the end. So yeah, I'm just going to repeat this same step for my pinky finger. Again, I'm just going to do the one bead method, and then I'm going to cure this nail for 60 seconds. And these are the nails after they have been filed, shaped, and buffed. Nice and pointy like I like them. And now I'm applying a very thin layer of this Madame Glam's base coat to each nail. And then I'm going to be curing these nails for 30 seconds. Now for today's set, it is a Valentine's Day set and I love it. It turned out so cute. I had so much fun creating this set, and that's one thing that I love about doing nails. I get to create and build and use my hands at the same time, and that is just so much fun to me. I really enjoy it. Yeah, so I cannot wait for you all to see how these nails turned out. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below if you would like for me to try anything, or if you want to see me recreate a set. I'm definitely open to that. Now, once those nails have cured, I am going in with this beautiful light pink color from Melody Susie. I believe the name is Cinnamon Cloud, and it is just so pretty. I love this gel polish. It is very rich and creamy, and it's so cute. You honestly could do one coat, but I am going to do 2 coats of this color just because it's a lighter color and I want it to be, I don't want to see any streaky lines. So I go ahead and apply another thin layer of this color off camera. And then I am moving on to this beautiful, rich, deep red by Melody Susie. I believe the name of this color is Cherry Blossom, and it is so pretty. And I am just applying a thin layer of this color to my first finger, my pinky, and also my thumb. And next, I am using Madame Glam's No Wipe Top Coat. And I'm just applying a very thin layer of this to these pink nails, my middle finger and my ring finger. And I'm going to cure these nails for only about 15 seconds because I am going to be applying some beautiful chrome to these nails. And I'm so glad I did. It enhanced the color of the nails so much. They kind of look like a pearl pink after the chrome was applied, and it actually turned out so cute. I'm definitely gonna do this again for another set because I loved the outcome. So I'm just using my makeup applicator to rub the chrome in to this gel polish, the clear gel polish, and then I'm gonna cure these nails all the way, and then I'll top coat them once more. Next, I am using White by Melody Susie. I didn't realize it before, but I guess I'm using all Melody Susie products in this video, which is okay with me. I love Melody Susie, so that's fine. And I'm just using a dotting tool that I dipped in that beautiful bright white polish to create some clouds. Yes, and I love how these clouds turned out. They look super cute, but I'm just creating an outline for where I want my clouds to be. And then I actually use another Melody Susie brush, and I kind of dip it in just a little bit of acetone, and I'm just using the brush to pat the bottom of the white gel polish, and it's kind of giving like a faded effect, and is really bringing my clouds to life. They look very realistic. So yeah, I'm gonna do this for all of the clouds, and then I'll cure this for 30 seconds. And once that's done, I am using again this deep red gel polish from Melody Susie and my striper brush. And I saw this trick in another nail video. I forgot the nail tech's name. I'm sorry. I just watch nail videos all day long, like in my spare time. So I forgot the nail tech that I saw do this. But she created a T to kind of help her outline a beautiful, perfect heart. And I thought that that was just such a smart idea. So yeah, I decided to try it here, and I definitely love the hack. I will be using it again, but I am creating a beautiful red heart that is coming out of my clouds. And I saw this design on Pinterest. Y'all know I'm a Pinterest girl. I love Pinterest, and I thought it was so cute, so I wanted to try it. So that's where I got the inspo for today's set. So yeah, I'm just using my striper brush and this red gel polish to create a heart in just kind of floating in the clouds. And these are how the nails turned out. Off camera, I decided to add a little bling around my cuticle area, but these nails look so cute. As always, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next nail video.